I lived half my life to find out. It turns out that there are so many little tricks in life. The mosquito coil is clamped with a clip. Ignite in the middle. Very easy to use. The canned food is delicious and difficult to open. Wrap the lid in plastic wrap. It can be easily opened. When the whole grain pocket needs to be sealed. We all use this magic solution. Very simple. When you need to unpack, hold the rope for 1 second to untie. Teach you to use a clove of garlic to tell if it is gutter oil. Pour cooking oil into a bowl. Put in half garlic. Let stand for 5 minutes. If garlic turns green, it's gutter oil. The fork is inserted into the edge of the shrimp shell. You can easily peel out the shrimp meat. If the two bowls are connected together, they cannot be open. Don't force it open. It's easy to scratch your hands. Turn on the faucet. Put the bowl under water and rinse. Open easily. I bet 99% of people just pull it away. However, it should be. Again, use a bowl of purified water. 1 spoonful baijiu. A spoonful of white vinegar. Mix well with a spoonful of baking soda. Then let stand for 5 minutes. So the detergent is ready. Pour boiling water on the skin of the fish. You can easily peel off the skin. The lock pin is threaded through the bracelet. You don't have to ask others for help when wearing bracelets like this. Cut the straw with a pencil sharpener into a spiral. You will have a useful cash card. What should I do if my finger gets stuck with 500 to glue? Sprinkle salt on your fingers. Pour in some white vinegar. Rub it lightly a few more times. The fingers are quickly separated. Put apples and potatoes together. You can preserve potatoes for a long time. Lobster under the towel. Press lightly. You can easily peel the shrimp meat. Stick a slice of ginger to your wrist with a window sticker. I don't get motion sickness anywhere now. The bottle cap is hot on the candle. Push it with chopsticks. And you've got a nice salad bottle. Stuff prawns into mineral water bottles. Fill the bottle with water. Tighten the lid and put it in the refrigerator to freeze. It won't break if you keep it for a year. Many people pull their socks like this. But look closely. There's a long thread here. Pull it lightly and it will open. Grab a handful of rice and put it on a tissue. Then pull hard. If there are all stains on the tissue, it's waxed rice. Press the roll like this. Turn it over and press it again. Then pull out the core in the middle. This is the correct use of roll paper. Don't throw away the line on the fan. Gently pull it after soaking. The length is just right. Press the needle on the thread and rub it a few times. The carbon wire is worn. This is the correct way to open the paper. The yogurt hasn't finished yet. The tube fell in. Look at the straw, there is a small groove in this position. Pull the straw above the groove. Give it another spin. The straw is stuck. When drinking yogurt like this, the bowl won't fall in. Leftover large bottle of Coke. Let's get the air out first. Squeeze hard to the mouth of the bottle. Close the lid again. In this way, the original taste will be retained when you drink it next time. Follow me to know more life tips.